Nobody wanna see us together.
But it don't matter what.
'Cause I got you.
Look at this dude.
How are you doing, young lady?
Oh God, you guys can sing so well.
Yes, we are actually choir practice. Choir. We practice every day in the choir. Yeah. We practice every day in the church.
Please, can I touch you? Oh my God, I can sing so much.
Look at this
Oh,
dude.
man. You know, my friend there can also draw. If you can see his clothes, he draws a lot also.
I can draw you if you like.
Yes, you draw.
You can sing, but let me sing a song for you. How was today's service? Man, I killed that keyboardist, bro. I killed the piano. Even the drum sets guys, I don't know anything. Like, man.
Hi. Please, can you give me your Facebook? Please, can you give me your Facebook?
You guys want our Facebook?
Yes, please, can you give me your
Should we give
Facebook?
them?
Please, can you give me your Facebook, please?
Let me type it. It's Mizzy Frosh Kizzy.
I don't have a phone now.
Yes, I've added you.
Tell me your Facebook.
How many followers do you? How many friends do you have on Facebook?
My mommy have not yet buy me phone.
She doesn't have phone. Mommy have not buy her phone.
Just add me.
You give me.
Shut up. Please keep quiet, please.
Why not? Please, what's your own
Please keep quiet, please. It's Mizzy Frosh Kizzy. What's your own Facebook?
Tell us your own
Please, can you give me?
It's Mr. Keats. Mr. Keats.
It's Mizzy Frosh Kizzy.
Will you be my friend?
Can we like
Yes, I
Will you
will.
be my
Please,
friend?
please,
Can we like
Please, can we take a picture with
Please.
you? Please,
please not
please.
Look at this dude.
Please, can we take a
I
picture?
cannot do.
Mom, where is the dispatch rider now? Somebody has waited for this one. Which kind of thing is this one now? Somebody will call somebody. The person will not come out on time.
Fine shorties. How you guys doing now?
Who is this one? What's wrong with you? What's your problem?
My name is Mukesh. Can I have your number?
Who cares about your name? Can you have my number as how? You see I'm waiting on the hot one. You cannot even ask me why I'm waiting. You can't even ask me anything. You see I'm waiting for my food. You can't even offer to pay. Like, I don't understand. You're asking for my number.
Jesus Christ, Ovanam, bro.
Just look at yourself. Do you look like somebody that would like to give my number to?
How do you used to pay for your food before you met me?
The other serious guys are ready to pay.
Why will I even? Why,
You have to pay.
why will I pay?
It shows that you're serious. If you're not ready to pay, then get out of here, please.
So if I don't pay for your food, I'm not
No,
serious.
get lost, please.
Omo, yeah, now lost now.
This one,
Omo, all these people. So you mean you can't give us your number?
No, we cannot give us our number.
Just give me your number now.
Can you get me a wig?
But you don't have a wig.
Okay, look at what you got. You get.
What's wrong?
So I'll not be checking you.
Yeah, you do have a car.
I don't know.
I been a senior man. Come now, I have a love for you. I love you, fine girl. We love you. Because also, if we don't have car, we cannot love you. We love you.